Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add text in cTrader chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this icon here. As you can see, we have here text. Click on it, and you can place it wherever you want. So I will add it, for example, here. You can type anything, as you can see. Now this is our text. Now let's say, for example, you want to make some changes to it. All you have to do is hover over it with your cursor, then right click, and as you can see here, we have Arial. So this is for the font. I will change it, for example, to this one, as you can see, or this one. We have here the size of your text. I will choose, for example, 28. Now it's bigger, as you can see. And you can also change the color if you want. We have here bold, underline, as you can see. You can lock it if you want, and you can duplicate it if you want, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.